sida mahali. We are wicked people. We are wicked. Unasikia tunarogana. Unasikia tunapelekana Malindi kwa wachawi. Unasikia watu wanapelekana kwa sijui nini. Unasikia watu wanapangiana maovu. You think it's a lie? It's the truth. It is the truth. Munasikia gifters wanashikwa. Wanafungiwa. Ati wanafungiwa. Ati wasiende kugift kwingine wa giftigi hapa peke yake. You think it's a lie? It is the truth. There are gifters who even cannot talk in TikTok because they have been given warnings. Where huonagi watu wakikaa live, look at anybody who is normal. Who is normal? Ado ni kuguruka maraguruka guku.
Oi, Ngai he mukurino witu ngoro nene. Muhe ngoro nene tu tondu ti hahuthu. Kuona mutumia wana gukenia riu arorete guthi gukenia mundu rume ungi. Muhe ngoro nene tondu ti hahuthu. Gwiciria uria waiguaga riu ni mundu rume ungi urorete guthie kuigua uria waiguaga. Ti hahuthu. Muhe ngoro nene mukurino ucio witu tondu ti hahuthu. Gwiciria uria wainagirio riu ya mundu rume ungi urorete guthie kuiniria oroto guo. Maya Ngai ti hahuthu. Ona okorwo ni kwirihaniria gutire mundu rume wi ngoro ya cuma. No ukaigua ruo wa imagine. Oi,
Ado a all karau renda kumwariria ugikara presentwo na opportunity ya ngari na rami wiro woya ngari no woya rami. Pick both. Piki ni maendeleo, piki ni reli na mupiki glory ya Mount Kenya. Kirima giothe ni inyuĩ kirorete iguru. Andu a mbere magiarĩire mbeca na matigeconorithie. Andu a mbere umuthi uyu giconoko kiria makoragwo nakio gitiri kionekana. Andu a all karau tigirwo ni reli, tigirwo ni maendeleo na mutigatuconorithie tondu wega umaga na mucie. Take both the development and the glory of the mountain. Na nĩ thayo.
Kamundu gaka gegwitwo Kasongo Kaongo muthenya wa ira ni karona kire kana hihi mbica yako ni raumirire ya ungumani uria karahuthira nginya magoti-ini na mundu gwitwo William Ruto ni ukwendu umenye ati gikuyu kiugaga muingatwo na kihoto ndacokaga no muingatwo na njuguma ni acokaga tondu kihoto no nginya kiruirire kio kiene. Mundu gwitwo Rigathi wa Gachagua ni ahagurirwo thirikari-ini na gutire mundu uteroreire process ira yothe yagerirwo na process yo yothe ni yonanirie gioko kia mundu gwitwo William Ruto tondu nginya magoti matiendaga guthikiriria Rigathi wa Gachagua na nginya senate mundu gwitwo Rigathi wa Gachagua tuika ni arwara onayo ndiendire kumuthikiriria na muthenya wa ira igoti ni rirakiugire ati kihoto kia Rigathi wa Gachagua ni giakirukirwo no na kuri oguo igoti rathi na mbere na gutua matua makuga ati kana kunyita mbaru kuhagurwo kwa Rigathi wa Gachagua na koguo marakiuga ati agiikare o uguo akiri mundu ukiri impeached ona gutuika kuringana na uria marathomire na marauga ati ni kuri ihoto ciake ciagararirwo. Ucio rari uira muiganu wa gucokeria mundu gwitwo Rigathi wa Gachagua giturwa giake na muno makiria kumwehereria uhoro ucio wa impeachment nigetha rucio rwake rwa giciaca akorwo ati no hota gukirugama hihi gite kingi in future. Ni twiwega muno kwina igoti ria appeal na ni twi mundu gwitwo Rigathi wa Gachagua kuu ni kundu angithie na kuma hau acoke athie thiini wa Supreme Court nigetha kesi yake igituike ni yakithie magoti-ini mothe kana ni yathie thiini wa magoti maria mothe makiri kuo thiini wa bururi o akigeria gwetha kihoto giake kiria kiagararirwo na igoti muthenya wa ira ni maraugire ati ni kuri ihoto cia Rigathi wa Gachagua ciagararirwo na marake muria ciringi milioni kana marauga ariho ciringi milioni 50 ni tondu wa ihoto ciake gutuika ni ciagararirwo. No kiuria kiria turageria kwiyuria andu othe ni ati niki kingituma igoti ritu ati ni kuri ihoto ciagararirwo cia mundu gwitwo Rigathi wa Gachagua no riage kuga ati ihoto icio ni ikinyanire kuhagurania kana kwarura matua maria mothe matuirwo kuria Senate mako impeach mundu gwitwo Rigathi wa Gachagua. Kiria tukuga ni ati kihoto no gikerwirira na muthenya umwe wa mithenya ungumania wothe wa mundu gwitwo William Ruto na haro yothe ria koretwo agitungia rurire na muno makiria mundu gwitwo Rigathi wa Gachagua oho agithukangagia bururi muthenya umwe kihoto no gikarugama.
Namba moja, kitoa watu wajui hii Kenya bila Wakikuyu si Kenya. Kenya bila Wakikuyu ni kama chai haina sukari. Mimi nasema tu kweli. Juzi hapa wakatestu ya mambo ya matatu. Uliona vile watu walienda kasi mguu. Na nataka kumwambia Mbadi, hata ile TV anapiganga nduru. Ile TV na Radio Ramogi anapiganga nduru kila siku. Akitusi Rigathi Gachagua. Gladys Wanga, hiyo TV unatusianga Rigathi Gachagua kila siku. Hiyo TV si yetu. Hiyo TV ni ya Wakikuyu. Siku moja tutamuka asubuhi tupate wameenda na Ramogi TV. Kama kina Gladys Wanga bado wanaongea hivi, tutabaki na nini? Hiyo TV ndugu yangu ni Wajaluo ndio wanafanya kazi hapo. Kwani Lynn Nyanyakachi, kwani Lynn ni Mkikuyu? Lynn ni Mkikuyu. Ombije ni Mkikuyu. Wale wote wanaendanga pale. Kwani Tom Dagmore hiyo kipindi ni ya Wakikuyu? Tom Dagmore hiyo kipindi ya Wakikuyu?
Hapana.
Ndalo wechi Magndalo ni ya Wakikuyu?
Hapana.
Zile vitu ni Wajaluo tumeandikwa pale. Sisi bado tu hata TV wanasema ni Lolwe, na hata hiyo Lolwe Mbadi waendangi kwa hiyo Lolwe.
Hata Mayenga.
Hata hiyo Mayenga waendangi. Hata hapa Nairobi hapa mahali tunakaa hapa, watu wanaoenganga tu Ramogi TV. Na hiyo Ramogi TV ni Wakikuyu ndio waliona. Mbadi anaongea mbaya na pesa yake ameweka kwa Equity. Sasa Mbadi angekuwa anaongea mbaya na sisi Wajaluo tuko na banki yetu. Mbadi angekuwa anaongea mbaya na sisi Wajaluo tuko na magari za kupanda kwenda nyumbani.
Nyangreswa
hata saa hii Omena ndio ifike Nairobi si rahisi. Unasikia hapo?
Yes.
Wanaongea mbaya watu kama Nywele Sauce. Mbadi, Gladys Wanga kilonji zile magari zilikuwa anabeba watu kupeleka watu huko kwa hiyo rally ilikuwa Kisumu ya last time. Walichukua tu magari za Wakikuyu. Uliona Nyaugenya?
Haiko pale.
Uliona Utange?
Haiko pale.
Zile magari Nywele Sauce alipanda. Walipanda gari za Wakikuyu wakaenda naye huko. Kwani Manyanga ni gari ya kabila gani?
Ya Kikuyu.
Hiyo Manyanga ndio walienda naye huko. Hata hizi ni magari waliweka bana za ODM. Ni gari za Wakikuyu. Anasema hivyo na Nywele Sauce anakula waru mbaya sana. Akina Mbadi anakula waru.
Ni ya Kikuyu.
Ni ya Wakikuyu. Ndugu yangu, Kikuyu ni wazungu hapa Kenya. Na watu walituletea Ruto, walileta Ruto. Na wanapeleka Ruto nyumbani. Adui si Wakikuyu, adui ni William Ruto. Ndugu yangu, sasa nikuulize, Mbadi ameandika Wajaluo ngapi kazi? Mbadi. Na Wakikuyu wameandika Wajaluo ngapi kazi?
Wengi.
Umejua Wakikuyu wameandika Wajaluo wengi kazi kuliko vile Wajaluo wameandika Wakikuyu.
Na hata rent.
Mpaka Wajaluo kuna wengine wako Kayateka kwa hizi manyumba. Wewe umesoma Jaluo akaandika Kikuyu Kayateka.
Ngaro ya Junior ukwihitha ku ugacokereria Ngai ngatho muno ni tukoragwo na our truthful man Rigathi wa Gachagua umuthi ni akuiga utheri-ini urari nduma-ini. We, what's your friends, what's your circle? We ni njui ona thirikari yenyewe ndikurihaga uthii tumidi tu uthiaga gutindo ugicokereria Rigathi wa Gachagua ukimwaragĩria muri arika utiri mundu ukurihaga niwe wendaga kuonania ati ni uramuhura makugucie. Reke ngwire uri na favor Ngaru ya Junior, no at the same time thiri wa Kenya Kwanza kana thirikari ya UDA uri valueless. No makuhuthire ta example we ukenage muno na mweshimio Rigathi wa Gachagua ona ni tha na ria gucokeria na niguo uthondekaga video guko guo ukimucinduraga aje vai kurudishia na tamakani na kuigwira kinya tha. Oi. Na negetha witikie niguo ri mieri 3 uguo mithiruga na mieri 4 ri mwari ngaruharo haha Thika Road mwaharo kuharo wenyiwe murite kire mwarite gukiri mundu mwete ta wa wanta mucemani ni cwanyu wari mucemani wanyu watu tano. Think twice. Mundu kire ya mundu kire nguini ciake ichirie muno Ngaru ya Junior. akoigwira nginya thabe uri wari uresa re thirikari nduri you are bringing nothing on the table so no makuhuthere take example we but you
waiganjo riu no ruite muno we nwe mundu wa tuta muri aruite muno ati nyonire ukiuga ati Gachagua nganie kirwa ati eke gwire no gwino urimu ucio urambiriria kuria Olkarau ucio niguo urongerera mundu egwitwo Sami Kamau Ngotho kura tondu ndungiuka haria ati urauga ati Gachagua nganie ekire ati ano gwino kwanza tona ukiuga ati niwe wakite kiama kia DCP wakire na mbao kana na mathirevu tugucokerie kare bia cigana warutire kiama tugucokerie thaa ici tondu ni ugithire hau ni uruite muno riu no wongiaria wiguike ukihuraga story cia urimu ndenda gukuria atiriri we hindira wahenanirie mwana waku ni arwarite kidney ri no kimutwara nginya India wahotheirwo bia cigana na ni urimu aringithagia andu guti mwana ari murwaru ukiuma hau ugiuka kwanjia kambuni ya uici wa migunda ucio ni ndu tutoi muici uyu guti mundu araria kwa ticket ya kiama to ni tui wi muici na ni tui ndwagiriire gukorwo handu hothe andu marauga one time ni wagio guikarania na ici enzako ni urimu ati hau ru uretwe we niwe mugi makiria nugu ya mundu mutikai mugima riu no twikite blogger cia uda mwina Moses Kuria no wongiaria wiguike mubi uyu na turuga no one time na Karau turathura Sami Douglas Kamau Waweru na guti mundu ungi tungihekura no bie
ndaigwa mauga kuma konere nginya ria ngeno ici ciothe ni kura cia Kamau mauga mweri 16 hwaini kura cia Kamau igataragwo ni Kamau ati cigataragwo atia ina iko ne kuona nai mayanga imutire na itheroi asanteni sana
tondu acio marathigana ruriri thaa ici no njarie na mage kuona ta ndi munabii na mahuthie ciugo ciakwa no acio marathigana ruriri rwao 2028 magakorwo na thina munene muno aige ao no uguo Rigathi wa Gachagua ena thina muingi na kuhitwo na njira ciothe na kwenda kunino riu maundu mau marendithiria Rigathi nimo mekumakora na andu acio makoragwo no andu me hakuhi na muno andu acio makaria thina na mekiro guoya na manyararithio kuria mathuritwo koguo njuge mundu wothe urakunyanira ruriri ni ihinda Ngai akuhete oneka ni ukugaruruka na ndirakurire aha muthenya ungi andu ni matige utinda magietherera na guku njuge atiriri o ruriri ni uri mutongoria wao na Al-Shabaab ri no mari mutongoria wao neguo ona gwatai ndairi ni ri mutongoria wao acio ni akurino ri ni ari mutongoria wao kwaga thorekire bari mutongoria wao no aigwa iyo ni kanitha no ni atiriri no kinya na ithu tukorona mutongoria witu uria turumagirira ona ukorwo me mwena ucio ni meyuria atiriri turumagirira u mundu turumagirira ri aragia ruthiomi ruriku tungithii mucemanio nake ri mambiririe kwaria ruga yake ri kwa gukorwo ni ndiracirira ngiino kanjurago no kinya ithui agikuyu tuthikiririe mutongoria witu uria witagwo Rigathi wa Gachagua na nie ni kwenda kwira andu tondu nie maundu maya ndimaragia na hinya to nie ndakimaritio na Rigathi atari muthure uria gukahana na uria keherio thirikari-ini na uria akacoka kurituhirwo ni maundu nehera thirikari-ini Ngai acoke amuhe FIFA na Ngai akiuga Ngai amuhe FIFA andu makamuthikiri na rikio rona Rigathi kaira arakoragwo ku mbere na turaigwa turite thirikari-ini
neguo ona ndamumenyire hindi yo atika kiria ni ndamumenyire hindi
ona ni takimui nuona niki giatuma mundu uyu akorwo na FIFA nene u thiini wa bururi niki giatuma akorwo agithikiririo ni andu micemanio yake andu marathi matahengeretwo bia na micemanio ya andu aria me thiini no kinya manengere andu bia maike micemanio riu andu maririkane ndumiriria ndaritie 2022 nuona nigetha metikire na ni no ndimuthaithe muno na njire kinya kiama kia Jubilee na andu acio angi othe ni manyitane matuike kindu kimwe no andu mamenya atiriri thiini wa Rigathi wa Gachagua ri kwina kibali kinene muno kia Ngai na kibali giki ri Ngai na rikorwo andu aya ni mekunjigua na manyite kibali giki kia Ngai ri na nikio enorume nikio ataretigira tondu twina atongoria ingi muno metigiraga tutie tuona mundu njamba uguo mundu utaretigira mundu ugwitwo Rigathiri ena kiundu gia guteithia andu na areheirwo haria twerekeire guthie kunino tondu 2027 uthamaki uria wikuo ungicoka uyu ungicoka aya nitukarira
tareke ngorie
nitukarira reke ndiki hau nitukarira na Rigathiri arehetwo ni Ngai ateithie ruriri na ateithie bururi koguo Rigathiri ndarehetwo no undu wa ruriri nona arehetwo ni undu wa bururi tondu Ngai ni aracaira moyo wa mundu wikitare ni aracaira moyo wa mukarenjini wa mujaruo na gutire na mundu ungi njamba na nikio Rigathiri amba kugererio maundu-ini maingi hindio akorwo thirikari-ini akamenya mathina uria guthiaga na uria gwikagwo riu Rigathiri ndangitikira mundu orago Rigathiri angikorwo giti-ini ndangitikira wa Kenya mahinyiririo tondu riu ni amenyete ona Uhuru no koni ateithire bururi Uhuru ndamenyete ground mathina maria makoragwo kuo no Rigathiri ni amenyete na akaguurerio ni Ngai akamenya haha na haha niho tuhitagiria twi thirikari-ini Rigathiri ndangicokera na andu maga guthikiriria Rigathiri wa Gachagua makunyanire ruriri na makunyanire bururi ndamwira 2028 thina uria ugakorwo kuo ni munene muno muraiga ati maguta ni marongererwo muraiga anga finance bill anga naki kwanja finance bill yo yahituka iyo ihituke tugukorwo twina thina munene muno tukuririra kioro na ndamwira Ngai rucami urire kumuhura na ruo ni ruritu muno na rwina ruo gukira wa Kenya aria marakwira thibitari gukira wa Kenya aria mararira ni kwaga wira gukira wa Kenya aria moragitwo magakua na iko cia ruo magakua na iko cie magigi aciari matahonete ni pressure matahonete ni sukari marakorwo ni maundu o muthenya nie ngwenda kwira andu aitu atiriri Ngai ni aroka guturuta ukombo-ini Ngai ni aroka ona riu no mubangite 2027 uria mugeka no uria thakame gaitika no uria mutagetikira githurano no uria mukaia kura tondu mutire na tha na bururi na mutire na tha na moyo nie ngwaria ta Mikaya wa Imura to nie Ngai ni anjaragiria maundu kinya ma mabururi itari ndathi nie Ngai ni anjaragiria maundu kinya ma athamaki to muthamaki athamaki na nikio Ngai ahete hinya ucio wakwariria kinya atongoria othe ndimwire atiriri 2027 ri ne mugaitithia thakame no thakame no ri ne kamucokerera amwe anyu ri matigukinya 2027 amwe anyu ri tukingira thamaki ungi miaka itatu ikiuga ni guthira magakorwo mariganĩire Ngai ni akemeheria na nikumeheria kumoraga na angi mariganire piu ino ri ndumiriri ndirakuhe nimekuriganira piu tondu thakame iria itikite ni irarira thakame iria itikite
nyaga biu no ni igwa ritwa reke rigitwo nigetha nguonie power ya calling na nigetha nguonie maundu maria utagirwo ni kwaria horo wamo wagirwo ni gukira namo nginya riria magate nguo taihu tari mwana kena muthuri akiya mutumia akiya handa nderaga andu ndi mwathani agocwo hwaini wa muthi he kandu turabanga na muthuri wakwa na Ngai amurathime na kangithiga ikare wega ni mieri kenda igithira ngetagwo nyina wa ng'ania ungiaria horo wakwa haihu ucio no waganu no wohanda ingionekana ni andu no wohire nda yo nyene iyuge ucio ni wuira ikai kwaragia horo muingi muno tukwa muthi I want to be here for only 10 minutes mundu kwaria uhoro wa kioneki kiria nakio na waganu ugithi kanitha-ini Sunday mwathani agocwo ithe waya ndakoretwo gukwa koretwo South Sudan na ni ndahurirwo thimu koguo ndigutongoria kwaya nyambe nyinuke tondu Jerusalem yambagia mucii nyambe nyinuke ndore muthuri wakwa tondu ndaigua ni akinya ndimuhiuhirie kanyamu mwiria first service ithire service cia keri kinye ni ndiroka no ndora mugima no gwa ngigika athie agithie acoke oke service ya keri githira atuheage wira ati bana asibe kanisa mutungatiri ni kuhoya thinjo nyuma kanitha-ini na ndahurirwo thimu ndamba guthie na hinde ngombete guthie ri ti uturika ni mwindi umaga service igithiaga na mbere ti guturika no ru muthuri wakwa koretwo South Sudan miaka 2 na ni okire ndamba guthi kumuhiuhiria riu ndakimuhariria gacuru karari hau ndahiuhia gathubuke hau ndamunengera thathi nigetha erihure rukungu rwa njira-ini na bara cire mararu akuria South Sudan ndarikiririo uguo anyua kania ngorono ya iria na mururu wa uki aria agira ahuna omapa atonya babu ethamba na riu tondu ni gukire na ng'aragu ire ya unduire arikia kuririo cia kimwiri na riu ni mukio ino ng'aragu ikiri oho twagitonya nake na hau twagithiru na no mukira guthira na mbere na twatonya na thinde ona bedroom acenje guoro ugu atonya na ndatonyania nake ungikiria hau ona gukanitha kuria ndungataga no kuhoria microphone ndukae gutwira guthiri atia mwatonya bedroom tondu da kana iu rigitonya mwiri kwario horo wario ni waganu we waragia maundu mothe maria Ngai akuharagiriria prematurely when worehaga miscarriage ya maundu macio thuthiaga kama maundu maria gwika ona nyukwa uhiki wa thira ni mamenyaga ti fellowship mwathie na merago matikarare gwa ciana mahure weru na nikio onaga andu ingi nigetha matikararĩrĩrwo ni andu a Njabini matikararĩrĩrwo ni cucu wa Naroko marikio hiki aingi maingiraga ndege magathie Ruraya nigetha mathie mageke kaundu kaoneka atari waganu kahithitwo muno na gakahithwo muno gatumuka gatumurirwo mbere no marikia gucoka magicoka kanitha-ini mieri 3 yathira ukona he kindu ni maga shape ni kambia gucenjia
ciringi 34 na mamenye sote thitha igiro maciringi bote aratwendirie ciringi 34 ciringi 34 kuga atia mbeca iria muthungu aramuheire ungigania na andu aria me Kenya milioni 50 o mundu arendirio ciringi 34 nigetha athungu moke Kenya ndaratuhitiirie ona ngiragitukinyirio mundu igana ta imagine ukiendio ciringi 34 muoyo waku ndarahitia mundu ucio ndarahitia ate wewe wacenjania na ciringi 34 uyo na kanitha ndungihotha 34 no uhothire gibote andu aitu ndarahitia riu ni nguga atiriri andu aitu tondu ndikwenda kuhitiria cibu na cibu ni unjohere andu aya mandumire wira ucio wa Gen Z na ni ndamwira tondu mande kwina maandamano ni mukanyona kuria tugithi kuandamana twere thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza okorwo ni marenda kurehe murimu ucio wa Ebola thondekerwo Kenya uiguo kuria State House kwina mugunda munene muno itiguo andu aitu na kiara kuigoke Ngai wa murathime na pole sana na siku ndakiuga pole nwajohera siku ni ajoheana na gukinyia ripoti Ngai wa murathime
Ndio muno no tuthiete twina
othingu wa airetu na anake umuthi uyu ri bururi witu mambiriirio ni ruriri rwakwa ri airetu itu mathire njagai naguo waganu wathie thoko ri ndonyo ya toho mutheri ona uma muthingu ri arathingurwo ni maitho na twathi gukometa ndawi-ini ino nginya mwe kariguka ni mari manyina ni mari maithe ni mari ciana tondu uhoro wa mari na thithiri na betigirire na guconoka ri ruhonge ru ni ruteme ugatigio kanyamu kaigana uguo tondu ni kama jini kanini muno riria andu mekwaria makirumanaga guku na igenyo bururi-ini witu ri mundu akeina rwimbo ruru ri ayuritwo ni tha nyingi ri augire Ngai wa Ibrahimu guguthaitha ni mundu rarega ni athaithwo anake aitu aria mari njamba umuthi anake aitu marakua ta nguku cia broiler muthenya wa iratu uragirwo ingi ya 24 last year but 2024 makwire ro uguo Ngai wakwa ana ovyo now marakua niki 85% marakua ni waganu wao wa kwenda indo cia werere kwenda gutonga na ihenya ni uthire watu a nyumba ene watu a duka ene na duka ne aroni tondu ihinda ni ikinyu urathi wa Timotheo wa keri thatu uruta wira andu matariza ndandu matacayanagira ngari ya mundu ni cirirwo na mundu ucio nake arari athina otawe ta mundu ngiwahenetie rurire rwitu rwa gikuena kiaitu ati ni makoya uthamaki ciana cia mau ciĩgaĩra ithaka magĩthiĩ matũũra-inĩ na gũkũ mũtumia we arĩire irio ciake agetio mbia mũndũ oigire gakiuceki gake na no mũmau onake no augire mau nĩ athĩni atĩ mũndũ egĩra gakari ta karĩa akĩheo kĩrĩra kĩhĩtanu nĩ mũndũ wetagwo Ahithofeli aheire Absalom kĩrĩra kĩhĩtanu gĩtarĩ kĩama anake aitũ magĩkua aingĩ angĩ ona ũmũthĩ matirĩ moneka tondũ maheirwo kĩrĩra gĩtarĩ kĩama tondũ andũ amwe mendaga gwĩtongia na arĩa angĩ Ngai wakwa baba ngũgũthaithĩra mũthabibũ ũrĩa wahandire anake arĩa marĩ agũthiĩ ita mathiĩ magatahe rĩu maratahana o ene marataha bũrũri wao Jehova Ngai ngũgũthaithĩra nayo rithathi no ĩmetereire ũngĩ nake nĩ mũthigari aikia rithathi tu na mũndũ ũcio ndarĩ na kĩndũ no ihiga narĩo ihiga tu kana maĩ no nĩ amũgũtha rithathi
Lutawa yuri oke. Tokoina nyinaga. Ihanyi ya kandwai. Nikamenya niye.
Simu ni personal and very private. Sipe mtu yote simu yako. Mama alipigiwa simu. Kuna mtu natuma hapo nifungie kuku 4. Na punde si punde mama anasema ametokea msichana mmoja mrembo kabisa, msichana yani amevaa vizuri, hata mama mwenyewe anasema msichana alikuwa mzuri. Jamaa akasema, akamuuliza amefika? Amefika, hebu mpe simu. Yule mama akampa yule msichana simu. Kumpa simu, wakatokea jamaa wawili wakaconfuse yule mama. Mama, nifungie kuku 2. Unaona sasa wakacheza na psychology yake. Kumbe wakati huyu msichana amesongelea pale mbele, wameziba huyu mama haeziona. Yule msichana bwana akona pin ile kale ka pin kakutoa sim card. Akatoa sim card zote 2 ya Airtel na Safaricom na akamrudishia mama simu na wakaondoka. Hawajabeba chochote. Baadaye mama anang'ang'ana na simu, anafikiria ni network iko na shida. Kuangalia vizuri, sim card zimetolewa zote. Kitambo ashtukie anaenda Safaricom, sijui anaenda wapi. Hii si story ya jaba, ni story ya ukweli. Wameramba pesa kutoka kwa KCB, wameramba pesa kwa M-Pesa, wameramba pesa kwa M-Shwari. Yani matapeli kweli kweli. Wamemwacha mama, yani akaunti zinasoma 000. Sasa hebu niambie mchezo kama huo. Kumbe hata si kuwekewa mchele za zingine. Kama huyu mama alikuwa wazi wazi, lakini walicheza na psychology yake.
Wabagirira korone ndoe ukaga thutha kareu wira kune warutire Jehova rokurathima na muthenya wa mithenya ithuĩ Gĩkũyũ no tũkerira na nĩkĩo mũrerirwo ũmũthĩ ngĩcoka ngiuga na ningĩ ndingĩrigithia atĩ ndiguaga ũkĩnyũrũrio no maciũra namo merirwo matigiragia ng'ombe inyue maĩ kĩrĩndĩ nĩ kĩritũ gĩakuithirie mũthuri bunda Jesu kamahonokie mamwambithirie mũtĩ igũrũ makĩohorithia Baraba mona nduma mũthenya nĩguo manjĩrĩirie kwĩrira kumbe ararĩ mwana wa Ngai. Nĩtwĩrirĩte no tũrekere mĩario twaririe. Niĩ ndarĩ mwena waku no nĩ tondũ wa arĩa angĩ maririe ngoro yaku yone handũ ha gũtũrekera, one handũ ha gũtũrekera na nĩgetha tũgĩe na mwerekera mwerũ. Githĩ tiguo? Githĩ mũtirona kona ciothe nginya ino ciongo marahũrana? Nĩtwenyihia na nĩtwahoya mũhera. Rĩu ndĩrenda kũina rwĩmbo gĩbungo kĩmwe. Ũguo ũraugire nĩ ndĩraiguire atĩ andũ no ndeto mũkoiko.
ahutithia rĩngĩ ũkamũthoni haya atĩ nĩ kũhũrwo no tũraibaka matirĩ matigana mũrĩ hamwe mũthoni atĩ atake nianania nyina pitisha nyamasa aya nĩmoe kau nyamasa njĩtagwo ũ Wasogoni gavana nĩaramũtwara wega tũmũndĩrie matawa rĩu niĩ kĩrĩa kĩrandakaria ithuĩ mĩici arũirũ nĩ twaga wĩra twamatawa magĩaki nĩndagũkia wĩra baba itũ mwanake andakaja vya usituguza sisi goons pole nĩndĩracina ithuĩ ici arũirũ twĩ sawa no mũtire ici tiguo pitisha ũguo twakie matawa twakiũra mabara ithuĩ nĩmũheagwo ngũrũwe nĩmũheagwo ngũrũwe inyuĩ nĩmamataki nĩiraciara ciĩ sawa ĩmboco mũtiheagwo mboco nĩ gavana mũtiheagwo mboco itiheaga mũheanaga mboco tũmwĩra pitisha kĩ anyamaza nini tũkwenda matawa tiguo na mabarabara atĩ tũmũhea mboco itarahĩa atĩ wao tũgakĩrumba Wasogoni
sawa Mr. Gachagua uria ngukwira uke sololo ino uke tucemanie guku
niambie hii nguo inashonwa hapa inawachwa hivi inamaanisha nini? We mwokovu umevaa nguo nusu hapa inaonekana watu wakikuangalia wanaume wanauliza hiyo bra iko wapi? Ati nilijuaje? Shut up. Mimi ndika yako.
Gukuria kiuria nawe Ruto ujokerie uragaga ciana niki na ugaga wi muciari ithabu rĩaku we Ruto rĩakũraga ciana citũ nĩtũgĩgũcanũkĩte na no nginya tũkwĩinũkie. Sikiza Muthoni wa Kĩrumba. na kono ngumanga kama ngathuro na kura cio andå mane yake ndu
Ani ndä må rakaru piå ngoro yakwa nä ngå rakara gwitå nä kå ragå rwo kura piå nä marathi kwa andå arä akå kå rä hama-inä nä kwa andå akå makamwä ra rehe gä bandä rehe gä bandä waneana na cåcå må kå rå rä ciathiä rä nä å kå rehe kå rä gwitå nä kå rä mä andä ko mä ingä må no akerwo caina ha wacaina kä wacaina kura rä u twä na ruo twahoya atä rä rä ta må tangä ge tumå ke mwarä ria andå acio akå rå må ndå ndakaneane ndagä ka teno kura kwa ADT to twä na ruo må ni må no last week ciraira cikä gorwo hwaä na å kenya na kando nä gå kuonia kå rä a cirathiä
Nĩkukiria andũ acio na kũmathomithia kwehũrĩra mamu wanyu hũrĩra rekei mwĩre
Siku yenye mtapata Mburundi akiwa kwa line ameenda kupiga kura, tafadhali huyo mdiri na yeye, si mdiri na sisi. Tafadhali huyo mdiri na yeye, si mdiri na sisi. Kwa sababu kuna Waburundi tumetoka nyumbani tukiwa tumekuja kujitafuta na kutafuta maisha. Si ati tumekuja kupiga kula ama tumekuja kung'ang'ania siasa yenu.
Tafuteni wajenga muuze hizo uoga zenu ati sijui mnataka kuregesha uongozi kwa Kikuyu. Hata tukiregesha uongozi kwa Wakikuyu, rais wa kwanza wa Kenya hii alikuwa ni Mkikuyu, Mzee Jomo Kenyatta. Kibaki ameongoza miaka 10. Uhuru ameongoza miaka 10. Unaweza compare wakati wa uongozi wao na hii hao Wakalenjin wawili?
Wewe ni useless. Wewe ni mtu hauna akili. Moses Kuria wewe kama hivi wewe ni muuzi, umeuza watu wa Kikuyu wewe. Umetuuza wewe. Umekwenda UDA kukula pesa. Wewe ni takataka. Wewe ni useless. Enda nyumbani. Toka na wewe Moses Kuria. Kwenda huko. Kuria na huko. Kwenda kabisa. Umetuuza wewe. Lakini kukarao. Au uratomirwo nä ruto kuma Nairobi orume andå gä kå yå gå kå na ithuä tå ma Nairobi tuorane na tiendagia rå rä rä kaingä mwä re kä ndå kä mwe okorwo nä må rorete tå mä kondoro tå u tå raheanwo mä kondoro ä yo nä ya thibitarä yandä kä two hospital GK nä må mä onete then kä ndå gä a kerä må githi å cio urari guku maregete kuhingura tene ki useless mogithi mugashu watora mogithi ithuĩ ngĩkorwo tũrĩ agashu tũrĩ mbeca Shame on you, useless man. We don't care, we don't fear you.
Kuria wathi warugama mbere ya andu waruma mwana wa mutumia wa mwita Chokora ate tondare na ibia cia muingi aiyete angihota guthi kuhakana nacio nietha ahurirwo kura. Wathie warugama handu mutheni wa Ngai tondare ya kindu kia mundu wathie kwiyongororia ni undu wa bia cia arwaru marakwira thibitari to bia ni mweire bia cia dawa cia arwaru a cancer to ni mwarire ni cio ureyongororia nacio ngukwira kiugo kimwe tu we muciari ni uciarite Ngai wa mutheni ndakare ko kome futi 6 utasaite ni undu wa ciugo wario mothe na ngoririkania Chokora yo weta Chokora niwe tumite thirikari yothe hamwe na mbia iria ciothe muigite na macoka maria mothe mwenamo inyuothe mwe kou murone na mwana wa mutheni utari ona ki utari ya kindu ona kia muingi no inyuothe na mbia icio ciothe muigite na no uramuinainia mpaka you opt to insult o andu aria muturaga muigagira Ngai ndakare ko kome kafuri utasaite ni undu wa ciugo icio wewe ni mzazi malipo ni hapa duniani na the next member of parliament wa Olkalau nuona Sami Douglas Kamau Waweru mutheni wa Ngai utari kindu kiani aria na aria korwo na icoka na mamilioni makwa kado niguo mamuthure ucio mutheni nuona ucio weta Chokora ucio no gukorwo next member of parliament nigetha witikie Ngai wa mutheni egutureho na ndari hindi na ndiragura nduri hindi ugakoma kaburi-ini na rekorwo mbia ici muretotora nacio nĩ iria mũthũkũmĩte na moko manyu. No rĩu mwaiyire andũ mũkĩanjia kuona andũ ta matahũthagĩra hakiri naguo tutakuwa hapa. Ici icoka hizo pembe na mau mathagu nimegukonywa one by one. Wewe ni mzazi, narudia tena, na malipo ni hapa dunia. Nduri hindi wako mafuti 6 utacaite niguthi kuruma mwana yani tondu ndaiyete mukona to atari hakiri. Mwathi gwitotorera andu na mbia iria mumaiyaga cia rwaru, cia ndawa cia rwaru andu no gukua marakua. Wathie gwitotora. Pride comes before a fall. Pride comes before a fall. Ni sawa. Na Chokora mweta Chokora, he will be the next member of parliament Ol Kalou, and you will amount to nothing. Nothing. Otire mundu na akirisia agathie arugame handu polling station ya gwikirie kura. So you better rely on being a minister. Ni etho kirehere andu thumu wega biu toria watureheire thumu magutaini ma kuria. Sawa. One time. Moses Kuria wathi warugama mbere ya andu waruma mwana wa mutumia wa mwita Chokora ate tondare na ibia.
Andu aria mahuraga gikuyu ni gikuyu ndangarisi. Andu aria mamenaga gikuyu no gikuyu wezao nikio mutageteithia. Andu aria maruaga na andu aria angi ni gikuyu kiruaga na gikuyu kiao. Na nikio murahura wa kirumba, nikio murahura mwana ucio, nikio mutarenda hihie na kirumba aragiriria gikuyu. Aruaga na gikuyu nigetha gione mawega. Aikaraga na gikuyu kiao na aragiriria gikuyu. No bunda ici no mwina hinya wa kumuhura, mwina hinya wa kuhura mwana ucio na mutingiona kiheo giake na mutingiteithia mwatura mumuhuraga ndangarizi. Muramuhura kina aria me MP mukamurumia uthio ndu mungika. Uthio ndu mwana murathimio ni mbego ya Ngai.
Kuria njamba ya ruriri gikuyu oigaga atiriri mukuru ni eragwo no ndarumagwo. Ithuĩ tũtigũkũruma no ithuĩ nĩ tũgũkwĩra ma. Nĩ thoni nene mũno tondũ ithuĩ tũgĩkũra tũratũire twĩrirĩirie ũrarĩa wa role model. Ithuĩ tũrenda gũgatuĩka itugĩ na atongoria a bũrũri ũyũ. No kuma waingĩra thirikari-inĩ ya William Ruto rĩ na tũtiũĩ nĩ shaitani nĩ ndamathia ũrĩkũ ũrĩ thĩinĩ wa thirikari ĩno ya William Ruto. Tondu gutire mundu uraingira na mutwe mwega akauma kuo na mutwe mwega. Ithuĩ Moses Kuria ri turatoire twerireirie muno ati tugatuika mutongoria ona tugikora aciari itu ni matwiraga wi njamba ya ruriri ta Moses Kuria. Na nĩ gĩconoko kĩnene muno na nĩ thoni nene muno tucokete tukona mutongoria uri ithuĩ turoĩ na turatoire tuĩ ati anyitagirira mbeũ njithi hindi ya twanyitwo ikio korokoro-ini agaturutira thamaji na tukarekio niko igioterwo ati umuthi uyu ni wokuriha cokora ya Nairobi ati we ni wokutanyarania na cokora ya Nairobi to ni arega gucokia ngiri gibau na ngiri ici gibau uramurihite uramuhete nigetha arume muthoni wa kirumba. Ni giconoko kinene muno Moses Kuria muthuri wa miaka yaku kana wa rika riaku akienda kuroithia ana akienda kuhurithania ciana cia ithe omwe kuna mumbi. Nĩ thoni muno ona ndũrĩrĩ iria ingĩ nĩ njũĩ nĩ ngenu na nĩ cirakena muno hĩndĩ ithuĩ tũkũrũa ithuĩ ene kwa ene. Na nikio gukora guku Mount Kenya nikio kwina ũgũrũki ũyũ Moses Kuria nĩ thoni muno. Nĩ thoni muno no conoke muno baba witũ ate ithuĩ tha ici handũ twari ũrĩa tũkũnyitana. Moses Kuria wewe umwe wa andũ arĩa ithuĩ tũrehokete atĩ no magĩtũtware ithuĩ anini tũroka ũteti-inĩ kana ithuĩ tũroka ũtongoria-inĩ tũtuĩke atongoria njamba tũtigere gacete ĩrĩa watigĩte mĩaka ĩrĩa watongoragia. No ũmũthĩ ũyũ ũratwĩra ithuĩ tũhũrane ukarihana ati nigetha marume mundu muna gukorwo muciari ndahuraga mwana wake tondu gikuyu igaga mwana ndahuragwo aroretio na thome ahuragwo acoketio na mucii ungiretire toguo mwaranagiria na muthoni wa kirumbwa tondu muratoire mwaraniirie Ũngĩramwĩtire umwĩre muthoni hana na hana na hana ri ti hega. Mũciari ndahũraga mwana wake kĩrĩndĩ-inĩ. Mũciari ahũrũrũngagĩra mwana wake nyũmba kwake kana mũciĩ kwao. Moses Kuria urenda kũingĩra kĩrathi kĩa Rũkũ nĩkĩ? CS Rũkũ aya maragayania marauga kwĩna Mount Kenya East na West. Urenda gũtuĩka mũndũ mũkĩgu nĩkĩ na tũĩ mũndũ mũgĩ? Urenda tũgũtaranĩrie na kĩrathi gĩa Sudi? Turenda tũgũtaranĩrie na kĩrathi gĩa Kĩmani Icũng'wa? Awa wĩ wa tene mũno na nĩ wega mũno he mbuĩ ciaku gĩtĩo, na nĩ wega mũno menye atĩ ithuĩ mbeũ njĩthĩ nĩ aingĩ tũkororete igũrũ. Nĩ wega mũno ngĩmenya atĩ ithuĩ mbeũ njĩthĩ turenda gũtuĩka njamba cia rũrĩrĩ, no nĩ gĩconoko mũno tũkĩenda gũtuĩka njamba cia rũrĩrĩ tũgacoka tũkahũra rũciaro rũgoka.
Listen very carefully, okay? There's something going on in Kenya. Leo nimeenda nikaingia kwa mall fulani nikakuta washa change pale kwa gate. Ukiingia na gari there is no longer that ka yellow coin. Wamesema sasa ni cashless. Ingia, you will dial star something something hash, you will pay cashless. Leo nimetumana one of my team members hapa katika AMTV kwenda Tao kubuy lights fulani na hard disk na nini. Nikamtuma na cash. Mimi napenda cooperate na cash. Kifika pale akaambua hatuchukui cash. Hatuchukui cash hapa. Guys, what is happening? What is happening? No, I'm asking a very genuine question. You see, in Kenya, we all have rights. I'm only using Kenyan money, Kenya shillings. Ni lazima nilipe kupitia kwa simu ama nilipe kupitia kwa card? Is it a must? And those just options? And today their restaurants wanasema ni cashless. Their hotels wanasema ni cashless. So come on, nikiwa sina simu, niko na pesa, siwezi kula kwa hiyo hoteli? Huo si ubaguzi? Is that fair? Na serikali imenyamaza tu? Na parliament imenyamaza tu?
Nona ithuĩ nĩ twĩtuire ũguo. Ikumenana, igĩkũũ nĩ tũnyararaine, tũmenanĩte. Ũngĩona kaposto kaga kĩrũmba. Andũ a mbere bote kũrumana hau, ahiana nĩ Mũgĩkũyũ. Na ithuĩ rĩ gũtũcũna nginya rĩrĩa tũkaheana gĩtĩo. Arĩa matirumanaga, ũrona ũtithi ũguo. Ũmwe wao akĩhũrwo, mokiranagĩra ũguo.
Madugu zetu, madada zetu, wamama wetu, baba wetu, yani kwa jumla watoto kwa vijana wote, ili tuweze kushikana pamoja, tuweze kurudisha nchi yetu mahali tuliashiwa na Uhuru Kenyatta, kwa sababu Kenya imeharibika completely. Na Gachagua ulifanya vizuri sana, kwa sababu wale ni makazini wetu, tunahitaji wakuje pamoja ili tuweze kupigania hii Kenya yetu irudi mahali ilikuwa. Lakini sasa hii jamii yetu ya Mlima Kenya ni kurogwa ama ni shida gani? Wakati Gachagua anaenda kuongelesha makazins ili tuungane pamoja tukoboe Kenya, unakuta hapa Orokarao mtu mwingine anaitwa Moses Kuria chenzi ya mtu anarubana na madamu mmoja anaitwa Muthoni wa Kiruba. Ule ni hosti kwa Kameme FM. Mwanadada mzuri sana, amesaidia hata vijana wadogo. Yani ni kazi mzuri sana Muthoni wa Kiruba anafanya. Lakini Moses Kuria ni mtu wa kukaa chini na hawa kalejini na kupatiwa pressure, jua vile utamaliza huyu madam asikue tena kuonekana pale kwa hosti ya Kameme. Tumeshagaa sana kuona mpaka anatumiwa gunzi. Washa nikwambie Moses Kuria, msee ambaye sauti ilipotea zamani za kale ni pombe ya peni 8. Nataka nikwambie Muthoni wa Kiruba ndiye masho yetu kwa sahi kama Mlima Kenya. Is our queen. Ni Mlima Queen wetu kwa sababu anafikisha message yetu kupitia kwa Kameme FM. Uepukane na laini za Muthoni wa Kiruba kabisa. If anything happen kwa huyo msichana wetu, utajibu maswali. Moses Kuria umekuwa mkubafu kabisa. Huu ni mtu ambaye mnaelewana lugha moja, Muthoni wa Kiruba. Na ndio wale watu mnataka kumaliza kwa sababu mnaambiwa na William Samoei Ruto mfanye hivi na mfanye hivi. Na si ati hatujui, ni kutumika, mnatumika kama tissue paper. Umeona rais msima wa nchi ya Kenya anatoka nchi yake anaenda France, na aliasha kabisa cathedral kumeatakiwa na gunzi na hakuongea anything. Nyinyi watu wa France, kwani nyinyi ni watu wa aina gani? Hata huyo mtu mnafaa kumfukuza. Mumwambie wewe rudi nchi yako kwanza, ukatengeneze kwako kabla utembee katika nchi yetu ya France. Mimi nataka nikwambie Moses Kuria, Muthoni wa Kiruba ni mtoto wetu, kama vile Gachagua ni mtoto wetu, kama vile Uhuru Kenyatta ni mtoto wetu. Hawa watu watatu kwa sababu ndio mna target. Na mna target kwa sababu ni mnatumbwa na William Samoei Ruto, president wa nchi ya Kenya. Muepukane na hao watu. If anything happen kwa hawa watu watatu, hii Kenya haitakuwa Kenya tena. Na mimi nashukuru sana kwa sababu Gachagua ni kama Moses. Vile Mungu aliita Musa ili ampatie 10 commandment apelekee wana wa Israeli. Wakati Musa alirudi na ile 10 commandment, alikuta wana wa Israeli wanaabudu mashetani. Mpaka Musa akakasirika akagogesha ile 10 commandment chini. Kwa sababu alishindwa, hawa ni wale watu mimi nashughulikia. Wakati narudi napata wanaomba miungu ya ulimwengu. Sasa Gachagua ni kama Moses. Gachagua alienda kutafuta makazini wetu Western. Wakati anarudi anakuta Muthoni wa Kiruba hata alikuwa ametumiwa guns. Hata inasemekana wale walikuwa ametumwa agasijui ilikuwa imepangwa ule madamu wetu Mlima Queen wetu afanywe raping. Gai, afadhali hivyo amukujaribu kitu kama hiyo. Kwa sababu hii Kenya ni moto ingewaka. Sasa mumeona ile vitu Gachagua anaongelelea kila wakati. Wewe Ruto ukakuja hapa ukaanza kusema sijui Ebola, ukaleta maneno mingi ya utapeli ya Ebola, anga sijui Ebola. Amerika wamekwambia uhosti watu wa Amerika wa Amerika pale Laikipia Air Base watibiwe pale, wakipona wapelekwa Amerika. It is even a big shame. Rais msima kama wewe kutuelezea kitu kama hiyo sisi wa Kenya. Kwa nini Amerika kama wao wanajua wako na citizen wao in Congo, si wanafaa washukue wakati watibie kwao? Kwani hapa kwetu Kenya ni dumping site. Sasa unaona Israeli wamefunga. Wamesema hakuna Mkenya anafaa kukanyanga Israeli tena. Nani anaelekeza nchi pabaya? Ni wewe William Samoei Ruto. Wewe ndiye ule mtu ambaye umeharibu nchi yetu completely. Na tunakwambia bila kukuogopa. Umeharibu nchi yetu kabisa. Lakini watu wakijaribu kukwambia ukweli, unawatumia guns, mara unatumia sisi mabroga madisiae, tukuje tuwekwe kwa mabuti ya gari, twende tuthurumiwe. Lakini mimi nakwambia kitu moja, kila kitu na wakati wake. Hii ni mvua inanyesha kwako, na iko wakati itafika ishe kunyesha. Nakwambia haya yote unafanya katika nchi yetu ya Kenya, malipo iko. Mungu anakuona, tulikuchagua kama umekamata Biblia ulitupa, sasa umekuwa mtu ambaye ni wa kutukoni sisi wa Kenya wenyewe. Hawezi kuniambia wewe rais wa nchi ya Kenya, uko na uzuri na nchi yetu. Wakati chief officer wa City Hall Nairobi County anapatikana kwa nyumba yake na 65 million. Na ile pesa ni pesa inafaa iroteti kwa mwananchi. Lakini mtu mmoja kama Kidole anaweka kwa nyumba yake 65 million. Hiyo kesi hatujasikia ikiongelelewa. Na si huyo peke yake. There are so many wale wamepora nchi yetu ya Kenya wameweka pesa kwa manyumba yao. Na hakuna kitu wewe kama kiongozi kioo ya jamii William Samoei Ruto umeongea kutoka hiyo pesa ipatikane kwa nyumba ya chief officer wa Nairobi County 65 million. Hakuna kitu umeaddress wa Kenya. Hakuna hatua umeshukulia Sakaja, manake wale ni watu wa mkono wa Sakaja. Na je, sisi wa Kenya tunajiuliza ile pesa imefishwa na mashifu officer na watu wako, ni mamilioni ya mapesa mumeweka kwa magunia kwa manyumba zenu. Mr. William Samoei Ruto, it is a big shame. Kama hivi ndivyo tulikupatia kura uongoze nchi yetu. Gachagua uende hivyo na usitishwe na mtu yeyote. Ujaribu sana uganisha makazini wetu wote, hata Wajaluo. Igiza wa Pokoti, Waturukana, tembea hata kule kwa Waturukana, manake na wewe Gachagua sijakuona ukitembelea Waturukana. Tembea huko. Wao wote ni madugu zetu. Tembelea Wakamba. Kila kona yote uwalete tuungane pamoja ili tuweze kuondoa huyu mtu kwenye mamlaka, kwa sababu ameharibu nchi yetu. Imekuwa Kenya si Kenya tena, yani imekuwa kibada. Nimeshangaa sana kuona kwa news ate wa Somalia, watu wa Burundi, watu wa Uganda, sijui watu wengine wagani wanapatiwa vitambulisho na 15,000 in the name of mtu mmoja akona tamaa arudi mara ya pili katika nchi yetu ya Kenya. Sasa washa nikwambia William Samoei Ruto, wale hawatapiga kura katika nchi yetu ya Kenya. Tutakaa ngangari mahali tunapigia kura. Na kama wewe si Mkenya, usibahatisha kukuja kupiga kura na kitambulisho bonoko hii ya 15, na tunajuana. Wakenya tunajuana, tutamwombaraiziana sisi wote. Hakuna kura unaiba. We are ready to set you home. We are very ready Kenyans. Kwa sababu hii nchi ukipatiwa miaka ingine 5, haki kama kuna jamii itaumia, jamii kwanza ya Mlima Kenya. Hii mnaona wamejaza tomagonia kina Moses Kuria na Kimani Gachagua. Mnaongea usiku na mchana. Nimeshangaa kuona ile vita imepangwa.
Keep your success to yourself. Tia gutidoge tando moke ma celebrate your success. Waka nyumba muthuri mehingore na mukague na ciana. Ucio niguo mucie wanyu ti wa kirindi. Mwagura ng'ombe, mwagura mburi, celebrate with your family. Mwana wanyu ona hituka guthie cukuru, wona graduate, celebrate with your family. Tia gutidoge tangathira andu. Waka kanyumba kega ri. Tiga gwita andu moke housewarming. Ati uthinje mburi wite andu moke. Makungwira ni urakire. Andu acio reta aigi ao matiakite na ni meriragiria gwaka. Ecira riria maguka hu gukungwira ni gukena marakena. No kamatwara tua ugo kamoni ino ni bedroom, this is the sitting, this is the balcony, ukamabatigoro, this is the master bedroom, ukamoni oguo. Makerorera kuu. Ukenete muno. Geciria andu acio makenete. Andu acio tigo kena makenaga. Makoragwo maiguite kiwaru muno na kiwuiru. Na mageciria we ni kwiyonania ureyonania. Gokorwo mwana waku ni athoma arikia university, mwana wanyu akigraduate, muthie mumugire mucoke mumuinokie, kuma hau ni ambiririe gwetha wira. Andu acio mwitaga mucie magoka gukenerera makiinaga kugu ati mwana wanyu ni arahitukire ni agia thumbire. Amwe ni atumia aitura aria ciana ciao ciathomaga na mwana waku and they did not make it. Amwe ginya ni maciarire mucie, anake amwe ni manjirie kuguciria bangio kuu, miturire yao ni yaharaganire. No we ureta aciari yao moke makungwire mwana waku ni arahitukire. Ithe tiguo. He mundu na guku Githii ndiraiguire. Moka meka ceremony iyo. The following day muiritu ucio no kuguruka agurukire. Uguo weciragia muno rira ureka maundu maku. Success yaku ti ya guthio kianagirira. Na inyu muguraga ng'ombe kana ukagura ngari ugatwarira muhunjia thia kamirathime. Iyo ngari umenye ti yanyu na muhunjia. Hatire handu muhunjia arokira na hatire handu muhunjia guteithitie kugia ngari iyo. Niwe na wira waku na Ngai waku. Tigana na muhunjia. Muhunjia athiaga na Starlet ka 110. We nawe no warathimo wina Mercedes Benz. Wete muhunjia ati oke amihoere. Akimeitagiriria maguta oguo. Agithiomaga. Ugakena muno ugacoka ukamurengera 10,000. Yukwarahuka we muthuri.
Gutiri kindu kiuru ta muturire ugikuhabu ukahabwo ni muturire. Aini aria maratwitiagiraga riu magwika atia riu tondu riu thaa ici ona ndi muini. Thaa ici ona ni riu ndi muini. Oria ngauga ngagamba AI ni irathondekera rwimbo. Thaa ici thothe turi aini. Thaa ici ona ndi mboeka ngera cucu ine ngamuthondekera na AI. Muturire ugakuhabu.
Today we address the nation with clarity, responsibility and patriotism. As we approach June 25th, many messages, announcements and calls have been circulating regarding planned demonstrations. We therefore find it necessary to state our position clearly and without ambiguity as the Gen Zs of the Republic of Kenya. This is what we say and we firmly believe. There shall be no Gen Z's protest on Thursday, 25th June 2026. And we repeat it again. There shall be no Gen Z's protest on Thursday. Gen Z's power. Power! Our position is informed by one simple principle: the preservation of life and the pursuit of our ideals through wisdom, responsibility, and peaceful civic engagement. Before we proceed further, let us remind ourselves why the Gen Z's movement emerged in the year 2024. We did not rise because of political parties. We did not rise because of coalitions. We did not rise because of politicians. We did not rise because of activists. We rose because we desired a better Kenya. A Kenya free from corruption. A Kenya free from bad governance. A Kenya free from injustices. A Kenya where accountability is not optional, but is a must. A Kenya where transparency is not a slogan, but a principle of leadership. That remains our course up to date. One tribe, one nation. Nothing has changed. Political class, listen to this who wants to hijack the movement. Nothing has changed. However, what concerns many Kenyans is a growing attempt by various individuals to position themselves as custodians, spokespersons, and owners of the movement that was born from ordinary citizens. The Gen Z movement was unique because it was organic, it was peaceful, it was citizen-driven, it was partyless, it was tribeless, it belonged to no individual and no political formation. And this is not about one-term or two-term slogans. History teaches us that whenever a people's movement gains national attention, there will always be those who seek visibility from it, influence through it, and relevance because of it. But Kenya must always remain greater than personal interest. The sacrifice made by young Kenyans was never intended to become a platform for self-promotion. The pain of grieving families was never intended to become a public relations opportunity. The blood that was shed was never intended to become political capital. As a movement, we believe remembrance should be conducted with dignity and wisdom. We honor those who lost our lives, our dear comrades. Comrades, power! Power! And we remember their courage. We remember their sacrifice. We remember their dreams for a better Kenya. But we do not believe that honoring them requires exposing more Kenyans to danger. We do not believe that remembrance requires risking more lives. We do not believe that commemoration requires adding more names to the list of the victims. As the saying goes, the highest respect we can pay to the fallen is not to create more fallen. Therefore, on Thursday, 25th of June 2026, we encourage all Kenyans to commemorate the day peacefully. Share the stories and photographs of our departed patriots. Take a moment of prayer whenever you are. Pray from your home, pray from your workplace, pray from your schools, pray from your place of worship, pray for the families who continue to carry the burden of loss, pray for justice, pray for accountability, and pray for Kenya. At the same time, we shall continue to demand that all promises made regarding justice, accountability, and support for the affected families are fulfilled. The pursuit of justice does not end because there is no protest. Accountability does not depend on you occupying streets. Patriotism is not measured by how loudly one shouts, but by how faithfully one serves the nation. To the workers across the Republic of Kenya, go to the work.
After they trained this guy they called a policeman using our money, they gave him a house allowance using our money. Then gave him a police lorry using our money. They gave him a gun that was derived from our money. And then they gave him bullets and tear gas and everything else he has, including uniform and protective gear, using our money. That gentleman or that woman went to the streets, clothed in nothing but our resources. And one of them or two of them killed our children, our brothers, our sisters, using guns bought with our money, using tear gas bought with our money, and put them as dead bodies on a police truck bought with our money, and then went back home. Now, the bulk of those policemen we trained with our money and have used our money to beat us up and do such heinous acts to us have gone back to police stations funded with our resources. They are staying there. They are getting house allowance from our resources. And many of them have not faced the long arm of the law. What I'm trying to say now Then comes Akina Javas, who think in their mind that it is okay now to take our money again and give to these people who have been maimed by this administration. I think the least we should do is make the president pay from his personal resources. Because these orders came at a time when he was head of state. They came at a time when he said, wapigwe risasi ya mguu. This is personal responsibility. We cannot then come, after you kill our people, you use our money to compensate them. Where do you feel the pain for what has gone wrong? So from where I sit, the policemen who shot, the men who maimed, should be made to pay from their pockets. Number two, this is the first time we saw policemen arresting men and women who were carrying a handkerchief, a bottle of water, and a phone, and leaving guys who were carrying rungus and pangas and sticks and beating up Gen Zs because they were demonstrating. Some of the people we are compensating today were beaten up by goons who were working with police. They lost limbs, some of them died. Nobody wants to talk about the fact that some of the men and women we want to compensate, those who faced sexual assault because that happened, were sexually assaulted by goons who were working hand in hand with police, and those goons have not been arrested. Again, the least that should happen is compensation should come from the very pockets of those goons. And those goons should have been arrested, and they should be in a police cell. What we are trying to say is this: compensation looks like a good idea if it's going to come from the president's personal pocket, and if it's going to come from the personal pockets of these goons, and if all these goons are going to be arrested and they are going to face justice. And allow me to finish by saying this. Let us not find a decent word for these young men and call them goons. What we have been seeing happening in this country is called robbery with violence. And robbery with violence in the penal code is a capital offense, punishable either by death or life sentence. So when I see people committing capital offenses, being treated in the name of being called goons, and then they have maimed and killed and sexually assaulted people, and then our money, all of us, is being used to pay for men and women who are committing capital offenses, then I tell you, we don't have a responsible government, we don't have a responsible head of state, and we don't have a state that cares about the citizen.
Dato itendaga kwaria muno tondu ciakinya ni ciatumia ni nyendaga gucia avoid no ni kwaria ndeto ici cia Waruinu tondu Waruinu ndiramuona guku mitandao-ini agikiuga uria akireirwo wira na undu uria nie ndenda kwariria ni handu arahonjwo akorio kana hihi we ni areciria ni kuhenio na akauga ati ndangiciria thirikari no ihenanie. Waruinu witu ngwenda gukwira gutire mundu urerigiriria kana uroi thirikari ni henanagia miaka iria yothe andu makoretwo thiini wa bururi o nginya hindi ya thirikari iratuikire yanengerwo mundu gwitwo William Ruto. Hau noho twamenyire ati ni ma thirikari no ihenanie, ni ma thirikari no yuge kana yarie maundu matari ho, maundu mahana ma muhugui, maundu mahana ta maraugo ni mundu muhitanu meciria, andu makererwo undu na undu ucio kaga gukinyanira, na ni undu nginya ungi utangikinyanira. Maundu mundu arererwo ona wathima uguo kona ma ni maundu nginya matangikinyanira, nginya Ngai we mwene ndangimauga tondu ni maundu matangikika tugakimaigua na thirikari ino ya Kasongo Kaongo. Koguo Waruinu witu we wiyumiririe eterera marua kana ni miaka 30 ogweterera hihi no korwo thutha wa miaka 30 ni gukagurio mabuku kuririkanwo ati gwe thirikari ya henanagia na hihi thirikari ya hindi yuge ni kwenda kurekebisha mehia macio mothe na mahitia macio mothe nigetha thirikari ikona gitio kio tondu gutire thirikari yageirwo nginya gitio na yagite kwihe gitio ta thirikari ino ya mundu gwitwo William Ruto. Thirikari ria turagaria kuyuria ni muthenya uri kugakia gutioke ati ndaikarire kiu giti nigetha bururi ucoke no cokie gitio kiria bururi urari nakio na tuthie na mbere kuria turathiaga ta bururi wa Kenya tondu kuma hindi giti kiu kianengerirwo mundu wina meciria mangirwo ni meciria ma muhugui noguo thirikari yagire gitio kiria kiayo na kiambiriria gukorwo ati thirikari no ikwirire undu wa maheni
kamene yao ni akanyari tasi ndiki areka na ciana icio no le manyitanitio nake ni akuire tondu ni akanyari ni agure ciana icio nyumba ya milioni 90 mathi maikare ku harafu mwana uyu ri ena miaka igana na ni mwana wa muiritu na maundu maria araria na maundu maria areka maundu tari ma mundu mugima angi akurorwo thaici mwana ucio ni kurarora
no kuringana na ciana cia kiriu ri mwana ucio ndari na right ya gukorwo akiingira TikTok tondu ndari baba wake negena muno kanyari ndabati gukorwo akiingira live ku enjoy na rika riake riria rikoretwo ku
mwana wa miaka 13 TikTok guthoma kana TikTok kuingira na ndaiga mwana ucio korwo ego kanyari ekota kuregulate mwana ucio akamwira tha ni ndi ya guthoma na ithi ni hindi ya kuingira TikTok ngoiga atiriri na ni woni wakwa na niguo kwagirire ciana ni ndengerwo ithe niguo ithia cirire no korwo tasi ni mwana uyu arenda kuhikia to niguo taguo ndirona tondu taguo kurigana urera mutwara ngari ni atwarire ithe ruracio kama mathi maikare na ithe thi marandirie ethere mwana akure na agimare na arikie thuku ni acoka muhi no tha ici mwana ucio ngo spoil na akororwo mwana ucio no tukerira
Mwereri gukune kwa Riko FM tuhe woni wake.
Dear Kenyans, today I wish to address myself on the planned peaceful protests for Thursday 25th June 2026 to commemorate the 24th and 25th June 2025 and Sabasaba Day 2025 protests. In June 2024 and 2025, hundreds of our young promising Kenyans were butchered by this regime, others abducted and tortured, some were buried and others have not been found to date. You are also aware that property worth millions of shillings, businesses and livelihoods were destroyed by goons under police escort and supervision. Our young people and leaders were traumatized and dragged through courts of law under terrorism charges, all of which were trumped up and forced. To all Kenyans who lost their loved ones and lost their livelihoods in the three unfortunate events under the hands of William Ruto over the last 4 years, we are sorry. This is not what 55 million Kenyans expected of him, and also the 7.2 million Kenyans who voted for him. Dear Kenyans, on Saturday, 20th June 2026, the Cabinet Secretary for Health, one notorious warmonger, Aden Duale, said that protests will only happen in the Mount Kenya region this Thursday, 25th June. This was not an idle statement. It was a reflection of what has been planned. I have credible intelligence that Kipchumba Murkomen and Raymond Omolo, using Moses Kuria and Kimani Ichung'wa, Susan Kihika from Nakuru, and other UDA leaders allied to William Ruto, have organized goons to cause terror and mayhem in Nairobi and the Mount Kenya region and blame the opposition. 200 million shillings was withdrawn this morning from a bank in Upper Hill, where an account of confidential expenditure is operated by the State Department of Internal Security. And these funds are for mobilizing goons and deploying them to unleash terror and mayhem in the Mount Kenya region, Nairobi, Kajiado, and Narok, among other places in the country. Police have been told to escort the goons at night using police lorries and matatus hired from notorious circles and deployed across the region. Senior police officers have told us in confidence that they are very uncomfortable with the instructions they have been given personally by Kipchumba Murkomen, that they should stay off and let the goons destroy businesses, light bonfires, and create chaos. These goons, we have confirmed, will be accompanied by officers in plain clothes under the direction of Kipchumba Murkomen to give cover to the goons. The notorious Nairobi Sierra Rogue Police Squad under Kipchumba Murkomen is the one organizing the deployment of these goons across the region. The senior police officers have told us they have been told to intervene after the goons have done their work and left, and then descend on ordinary Kenyans, innocent people, arrest them and charge them with crimes under the Terrorism Act. I have been informed that DCP strongholds have been targeted for this violence so that the DCP leader Rigathi Gachagua and leaders allied to him can be blamed as the instigators of violence. For the record, Goonism has become part of the National Police Service since Kipchumba Murkomen became the CS Interior. Last night he was on Citizen TV and he could not explain himself on anything. When shown the video footage of goons under police escort, he shamelessly said that they are watchmen guarding shops, whereas the goons are seen patrolling streets in police Land Cruisers and under police escort. I have been informed that Kipchumba Murkomen has convinced William Ruto that unleashing violence in the Mount Kenya region will convince the rest of Kenyans that only the Mount Kenya people have a problem with him and that they are violent. And it's the Mount Kenya people fighting their own people. Looking at the situation, I want to appeal to the Gen Zs with a lot of humility and kindness to consider not going out to the streets. These are our children and grandchildren whom we need next year to help us liberate this country through the ballot. From the violence that has been planned by the state using police and goons, I have no doubt in my mind that lives will be lost. These are young children who have a great future and who need an opportunity to live their full life. I want to persuade them with a lot of humility that retreat is not surrender and strategy is not cowardice. I want to persuade them that there is a constitutional way of dealing with William Ruto next year. We don't have to go to the streets and expose ourselves to death and injury. For sure, state has organized very serious violence. And that is why the fake deputy president has been issuing threats. That is why William Ruto has been issuing threats. That's why Kipchumba Murkomen has been issuing threats. Because they have actually organized violence against the people of Kenya. Under the guise that they are goons. Kipchumba Murkomen cannot arrest these goons because he is one who has recruited them, paid them and deployed them. They will be working for the state to cause mayhem, to unleash terror, to allow the police now to come in and shoot people. Because the strategy is the state organizes goons accompanied by officers in plain clothes. They wreak havoc. They destroy property. Then the police now have a reason to come in. The goons withdraw because they cannot be shot, they cannot be arrested because they have been brought by the police, they have been brought by the government, and then kill innocent people, maim innocent people. I'm therefore asking the agencies, strategy is not cowardice. Please, my sons and daughters, my grandchildren, consider. We need you alive. We need you to help us transform this country next year. You cannot do it when you are dead. You cannot do it when you are injured. The state has unleashed war against Kenyans as a strategy to intimidate Kenyans to stop free expression of what they feel and what they want. For that reason, I do ask all businessmen across the country, especially the targeted areas of Nairobi, the Mount Kenya region, Kajiado and Narok, not to open their businesses on Thursday, 25th June 2026, and keep them closed and ensure they are well protected. Let them organize people to protect their businesses even when they are shut, because we have seen before goons in Nairobi breaking into businesses that are already closed. To those with vehicles, both for public service and private motorists, I urge you to keep off the road, stay at home. There is no need to expose yourself and your motor vehicles to danger. Stay at home, read, watch TV, and play with your children and your grandchildren. All workers of Kenya, I plead with you, stay at home. The state has organized terror against Kenyans. Don't expose yourself to danger when we know there is danger. To all parents, I agree and I'm happy that our children are home for midterm. Let them stay indoors. We saw last time in Duberry, stray bullets killed a young girl of 12 years. We don't want our children to be exposed to danger by going to play out. Let them stay indoors. Do homework, watch TV and play games within the safety of your homes. I ask all Kenyans tomorrow, on Thursday, to stay indoors, stay at home, avoid the state-sponsored militia organized by Kipchumba Murkomen, who is ruthless. Your family needs you when you are safe. There is no need for you to make a point, then you end up in a casket. Then you end up with injury. Then you end up with your businesses ruined. I think if all Kenyans stayed at home, we'll have made a very big statement. Stop the country, stop the economy is a very effective way of protest. The international community will see, Kenyans will see. Let everybody stay at home. Let us not give William Ruto and Kipchumba Murkomen the opportunity to kill the people of Kenya, to destroy their businesses. It's pointless. It doesn't make sense. In any case, all those who are grieved by this system, the Constitution has provided an opportunity next year through the ballot to get rid of William Ruto and his people. Let us take advantage of the constitutional mechanism that has been availed to the people of Kenya to deal with this rogue administration. Let us not go against guns. Let us not go against goons. Let us not go against tear gas. Let us not face a brutal president and a brutal cabinet secretary. Kenyans will be the loser. I know it may sound defeatist. I know many Kenyans will get disappointed that we look like we are giving up. We are just being human. This cause is not worth to lose human life.
A university like Kenyatta University inadai serikali about 12.8 billion. Okay? Tell me why a guy who pretends to care about young people will allocate 17 billion to a loss-making outfit called State House and not give 12 billion to Kenyatta University. Tell me why Moi University needs 10.4 billion and it's closing down, and we are allocating to the president 89 billion for travel in 3 years. All I'm trying to say is this. The president is talking about helping young people while robbing from them. When you live here with a jet and spend close to 500 million in a period of 1 week, actually, 500 million. Ile Singapore unatuambia tutaenda, their president is coming here in a Turkish Airlines branded jet. Okay? The presidents of all these, including the Pope of the Vatican, one of the richest outfits in the world, is chartering an Air Italia. By the way, Javan, you've traveled. An air ticket from here to the US is 200 million. I mean 200,000. That's a return ticket. Si tuchukue 2KQ. Tumwambie a Boeing 787 has 189 seats. 200,000 times 189 seats tumekukombolea hiyo ndege peke yako. It's 34 million. It will take him to the US and back at 34 million, of which bado tunasikia uchungu juu hatujui anaenda kufanya nini, but still we have saved on money. Your president is a wasteful head of state. Go and tell him to his face, you are wasting our resources. Remember Javan, Kenyatta National Hospital right now has a cancer machine that needs only about 70 million to fix. We have money to build a stupid stadium here called Talanta, about 100 billion shillings, the most expensive stadium in the world. I'll tell you why it's a problem. A billion is 1,000 millions, all right? To build a classroom in Kenya, you need 1 million. So 1,000 millions, which is 1 billion, will build for us 1,000 classrooms. So when you do 100 billion worth of a stadium, is 100,000 classrooms in this country. That's enough to end all the congestion we have in our schools. A stadium will be used maybe once or twice a week at most. A classroom will be used throughout the year to help our children. Your head of state is a wasteful head of state. He's keen on giving us monuments that we see. He goes to have Madarakas Day in Wajir. He gives them a stadium worth 4 billion in a place that has got no drinking water. So you ask him, wewe ulikuwa unataka kitu inaonekana kubwa. These people, if you had listened to them, they will tell you, sinking a borehole is 3 million shillings. So it follows therefore, 4 billion would have done so many hundreds of boreholes for the people of Wajir and piped them water. Mtu anaenda choo nje, ananawa nje, hana maji, alafu umemjengea stadium. Go tell your head of state, he's not in touch with mwananchi.
Nyoro akorogwa hana. Mheshimiwa, uga one time. Then we health facilities. Tukobeke bilioni kan trillion 17. Mheshimiwa, tutauga ugo. Twakoroge atiri. Uga one time, kanokuge two time. Mheshimiwa, uga two time. Ukiona hali ya health facilities li, fuli wa Kenya ukobeke trillion. Na tuwetuko kwa hili maine ya madhile. Mheshimiwa, uga one time. 2+2. Ukishoko uligidanie na gikundi giki kira ukira haho. Ishi besha. Mheshimiwa, ya kuratiri. Uga one time. Uki uligenere 2+3. Mheshimiwa, uga one time. Ukishoka uwe bese sio ukikomba utakwenda kumenya uyo urakomba. Mheshimiwa kiuga tutambasi. Mheshimiwa uga tutam. Washoka waya bese sio wasio yali. Woka wakomba. Furi ugashoka uigire ilimaine. Tutaka hautaweka atia. Kweuta. Mheshimiwa, uga one time ngorora uge. Tudulili. Ukishoka ukibone hedi yake fakiri. Economy yari 13 trillion times 55 billion. Uwate. Mheshimiwa toda uge one time kali. Inyoro. Nenako.
Thirikari ino ya William Ruto no mwaka uyu ngiri niturameikia nja. Mukiriririe tu. Marakara maya mothe twinamo. Marakara maria mothe twinamo na William Ruto tukiriririe tu. Totomira murungano ni aratuhatu muno makiria ri. Agatuhatu muno makiria ukira tukona hathara nene ukira kiria tuguthiete gwetha ri. Ni tumukirire o matuko manini. Mwaka uyu ngiri marakara maitu mothe tukamatwara baroti-ini. No riu mbere ya tukinyete mwaka uyu ngiri jariria andu akarau. Inyu na inyu murakaritie ri mutigweterera mwaka uyu ngi. Mweri 16 ri niguo tukonia marakara maitu maandamano maitu mandu akarau ri makome mweri 16 baroti-ini. William Ruto uguo tuhatikiete ri muthenya witu akundiu nake ni mweri 16 tuthie tumuonie ati uguo koretwo gitwika ni tukoretwo tukigwa ruo uguo koretwo gitwika ni tukoretwo tukigwa uru uguo koretwo gitwika na tondu mwehoka mbunge anyu matingimwaririria ambunge aria twina ureke ngwire wa Nyambura na nikio ni ndiretekania na mundu rathi akeinaga fagia akorwo hena andu magirwo gufagirio ni andu acio acio wagweta Mount Kenya tondu riri aiko ni uraia ihokete mathi makamatetere ri muthenya wa kumatetera ri matire kuo ati wira uria munene muno andu acio monaga niguo undu uria mangirahira miaka yao itano ya gukorwo magiathana ni kwitukia finance bill kuingata Rigathi wa Gachagua kuheana mboco kuheana mucere kuheana mikondoro utiri undu mundu angihota kwiganira ungi tiga maundu macio matano ndakugwetera ha
ari na ri wito nije tagwo mubunge wa Kieni Nikuigwa Cristiano Ronaldo tingia rumunene aiko friji ciakwa cikomete nyumba-ini cianyu mutungatiri andu ano ndamateithirie hindi ya covid kamahe mutu ona ukondia mahe matharo matibatie kunjia ndĩracinĩirwo nyũmba ya ngoroba 64 kũrĩa Nanyuki. Mũtungatĩri niĩ no kũigua ũkristiano ũtaranjĩkĩra wega angĩkorwo aya maikarĩte haha mekĩte mĩthuru yakwa ya nduka ya cieni. Niĩ no niĩ hĩndĩ ya COVID ndacokanĩirie kĩrĩndĩ ngĩkĩnengera mũtu. Mũtungatĩri wakĩre mũguo ndĩgĩthiĩ maru-inĩ njĩre Ngai kĩrĩa amũigĩire akĩdaivati gĩũke gwakwa.
Na arĩa maraingĩra kwa kina ndoa no nginya mamenye no nginya ũkorwo wĩna extra power. Ndoa sio ya kila mtu. Otherwise no nginya ũkorwo wĩ strong. Ti gũthiaga kwĩra mathaini rũĩ mũthuri wakwa rĩu araire nja anga nĩombanĩte nĩombĩte cirũ kĩamba. Ucio ti wa gũthinda ũkĩmũheaga ndeto ta icio tondũ no gũkũmena na gũtirĩ hĩndĩ agakwenda gũkĩra mũriũ na gũthiaga gwĩta aciari atĩ mũikare thĩ mwaranĩrie anga nĩ mũhĩtanĩtie mũgatinda hau mũkĩruta nguo. Ũgakoraga aciari akwanyu na andũ anyu nĩ mamena mũndũrũme ũcio piũ. We no ũmũrekere tondũ nĩ ũmwendete no andũ anyu matikamũrekera na kũmũheaga thiri cia kwanyu na cia kwao ndakũheaga acoke akũrume na thiri icio cianyu agĩkwĩraga kwanyu mũtiikaga na nĩwe wathira kwathamia kĩnuo kũmũhe thiri cia kwanyu. Tumia kĩnuo waikara kũu ũgaikaraga nawe ikara ũguo arũme matiheanaga thiri cia kwao. Nĩ kũigua aiguaga sister yake nĩ ahikũkire mwaka mũthiru na ndarĩ akwĩra. Koguo tiga ũtinda ũkĩmera thiri cianyu na kwĩrutaga nguo. Wa kerĩ ona wamenya nĩ ombanĩte tiga ũtinda ũkĩmwĩra nĩ wamenya. Nĩ ndĩramenyire mwĩndũgũ na Ciro rĩu arĩthiaga atekwĩhitha kaba mbere ĩyo tondũ nĩ arehithahithaga. Rĩu arĩkwĩraga nĩ ndathiĩ gwĩ Ciro rĩu wĩke ũrĩa wĩkaga na ndamakaga. Ana gũkwĩraga mũthuri gũthiaga kũmũcuka kwĩ mathaini rĩu atĩ nĩ aranyua mũno. Mũndũrũme otherwise ndangĩtiga kũnyua njohi atĩ tondũ waku. We wakorwo amũkorire akĩnyua hoya Ngai nĩ akatige wiki no ndangĩtiga nĩ tondũ waku kũratindaga ũrakarĩte tondũ nĩ aranyua njohi. Otherwise na kũrĩrarĩraga atĩ mũthuri ũtũrĩa muonagia maithori. Mũthuri akũnyananaga na akambia gũkũrumaga na gũgũthekagĩrĩra na nĩ ndĩ rĩu agũkũnyũrũria biũ wenda kwĩita wĩite iru na kũrwararwaraga. Akorwo wĩ kwa kina ndoa ndũkanarware makĩria ma thikũ 3. Otherwise warwara wiki ng'ima mũthuri ambagia gũkwĩra wĩra waku no toro ũtirĩ ũndũ ũngĩ wĩciragia. Akoragwo na ruo rũingĩ mũno. Nĩ ithe ũhone kana ũkue ũndũ ti ũmwe. Otherwise kwa kina ndoa sio mchezo. Na waikare
imagine atĩ mũtumia yaku nĩ arorĩte akahika tondũ tũgĩthiaga ũkĩhika kwa ngoma acoke kwĩra nĩ ndacoka nĩ ndĩonie mũndũ ũcio ti mwega ndũngĩmwĩra karibu sweetheart
Ũcio nĩ wĩra Ngai.
karibu mũciĩ nĩ ũkwambia kũmwĩra no rĩu Ngai ndahana mũndũ
sure
Ngai atuohagĩra na agatuohera rĩngĩ na agatuohera rĩngĩ
na ndanogaga
ko he andũ andĩkaga mahĩtia rĩ ndakwĩrire gũtirĩ mũndũ ũngĩakinyire mĩaka 2 ihĩtia rĩa mbere ũngĩandĩkĩirwo wa mĩeri wĩrwo nĩ arũma nyondo ya nyina
nĩguo nginya rĩrĩ endũ mauga atĩ he wĩhia wa kĩmerera atĩ tũkaga naguo kandireagia nda
kũrĩa maũndũ ũrekaga na kũu mateke macio ũraikia mateke mothingu
na ndio ndũrĩ nguo ũraikia mateke nĩ wandona wĩhia wa kĩmerera
reke tũikare kwa Ngai.
Yes.